Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our demo video on how to sign up for our services. First, go to our website, and that is www.investorsalon.com, and click on the sign up button. Next, fill out the form with your personal information and be sure to use a valid email address and phone number so as we will send a verification email and SMS to complete the sign up process. So इसको बहुत ध्यानी के साथ email address and phone number को जो है वो fill करना है। तो हम जो है इसको fill करते हैं। और हम यहाँ पासवर्ड जो है वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और जो फ़ोन नंबर है अब हम वो डाल रहे हैं 031235477703। So if you have a coupon code, like if you're going to click it, and for example if you write ABC and then you are going to click on the apply coupon, once you click it, it is give you the incorrect coupon code. So if you have a right coupon code, you can put it and just apply it. It will verify your coupon code and then just click on the sign up button. Okay, great. We have sent a verification email to the address you provided. Go check your email to find the verification code. Okay, that is my verification code. Let me put it 746174. Okay, so now you receive the verification code on your mobile as well, and 644. Your account has been verified. You will be redirected to login page in 2 seconds, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy using our services. Allah Hafiz.